Hey, we're gonna walk down this little alleyway, and this is the name of this road right here. So, so let's go check this out, and we'll just give you a little view of where we're at in this little area. So, okay, let's check out this. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I'm way up near the border. This is Rua Marginal do Canal das Hortas. You can see the Chinese up there, and there's another one up here too. So we're just gonna walk straight down this little thing. We're basically walking kind of near the border. There's a little overpass for pedestrians. Pretty massive apartments actually, with all those big gates too. It's kind of interesting. We're really close to the border right in this space. So part of the reason I wanted to follow it is because there's kind of this interesting rain guard right here as well. And then we'll just see what we can see around it. So they got fish, basically like kind of a lot of, when you get near the border, it feels there's not much of a stronger Chinese feel. Oh, here's security guards with them. So it looks like they're maybe bringing something somewhere. And we'll just, I don't really want to talk because I got a guy with a... Okay, so we got, let's see what we all have in here. Little alleys. Actually, all these alleys are kind of interesting. It's little apartments, kind of cross between the buildings all the way up. Anyways, so I haven't really explored it much in this area. It has definitely a more industrial feel. More, oh, there's a FedEx. Bunch of FedEx stuff. Huh. It feels more like import-export stuff. And let's see. Huawei. Let's just see here. Well, I'm not sure where we are exactly. I think we're by the border though. We're really close to the border. There's all these buses that go to Galaxy and all kinds of places. This is the to the border. Huh. Okay, well, so I guess this is a big port right here. It says Port Center. And I think over there, that's the border right there. So when people try to cross the border, they go right there. Huh. Okay. Let's just kind of walk into this a little bit. I kind of wanted to walk up into these tall buildings. I have been, I don't really come up here that often. It has a really different feel to it. It basically feels really like, I always feel like I'm kind of like right, we basically are. Mainland China is right there. Those are buildings across that fence and way and things like that. So when people would come in, they would take these buses to different places in Macau. So, okay. So these are basically a bunch of apartment buildings that are all over the place, right next to the border as well. So, I have filmed in here before because these buildings are just massive. It's an 88 restaurant. So we're gonna definitely film in here again. I think we're gonna walk down there and we'll do a whole different film. Yeah, this is this feels like it's stuff that's kind of going back and forth with the border. Got some pretty cool stuff in here. It's cool. Mechanics. Okay. So anyways, so you were able to see the first two buildings. I'm just going to get a little closer, then I'm going to do a new film by all these tall buildings up here. So I'm just kind of working my way over in that direction. I can smell durian. So, okay. Maybe just cross over here a little bit. See all kinds of stuff I haven't really seen. There's a Royal. Royal is a pretty popular supermarket. There's all these tall buildings, so I'm definitely going to explore there. And actually, I was with a friend of mine once, and we were up on top of this when we walked up there. And I think I'm going to maybe do something kind of similar, but I'm going to go around a different direction and do it so I don't quite have the same kind of feel of the other video. But anyways, yeah, we're basically right next to the border. Barrio Tamingini Barbosa. Like sewage. Okay, so let's just see what else we can find. So we're gonna go straight up, and then we're gonna try to get up on that way. A lot of mechanic stuff here. Yeah, I really feel like I'm almost in China here. Oh, this is like a bar. They got a bunch of beer. Well, it's a restaurant, but dumplings and... They got a restaurant. Oh, they got a selection of beer as well. So, okay. We are going to try to get over... Try to get up on top there. So I'm going to try to get up in this way, and then I'll start a new video in a minute. Let's just see if we can find out how to get up there. This is all... Let's see what all this stuff is. I think there's some kind of way to get... We're just exploring anyways, so... So you can definitely feel it has a different feel altogether. So this particular restaurant has the round tables. You saw beer and some liquor as well.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you doing? Sing Tao. Okay, so we're gonna try to get up on this little thing right up there. So we're gonna keep on going, and let's just see what else we can find. So it looks like they have all these restaurants here, seafood and things like that. And let me see, so we're basically gonna get up on that way, and we're just gonna do another walk there. And I think I'm just gonna end this particular clip and kind of get a feel for this other part of Macau. It's kind of a little bit different. I don't know exactly how to make sense of this particular area. It basically feels like it's all connected to Zhuhai, China in some way or another. Okay, so I guess we'll just end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.